Hi, in this video we will see all the Bodhi update jobs details. A job overview, how to customize it, and how can be your user experience. Package service creates a Bodhi update after a successful Koji build. If we can find a package configuration file in the commit or merge which triggered the Koji build. The configuration file has to have an entry for the body update job, and the update is triggered only for those builds submitted with the Fedora account of the packet user. You can watch the update status using the body service dashboard. If something happens during this process, Packet will create an issue, but you need to set the issue repository key. You can retrigger the update by commenting in the dist-git pull request or in the created issue, but you need to be a packager and have write access to the dist-git repo.